much delight for Diogo Moreira in Moto2. What a victory! Oh!
A horrible collision involving Moreira and Alonso.
The stand-up wheelie, the stand-out rider here, Diogo Moreira, who reignites his World Championship challenge.
Fifth podium of the season, 34 points the difference with 5 races remaining.
A masterclass from Diogo Moreira.
Brasil, Brasil, Brasil!
3 successive podiums. Down through Troll we go, and Diogo Moreira is back in the lead. Moreira, magic once again here in Portugal.
Moto2 World Champion, a moment in history, becomes the first Brazilian ever to win a Grand Prix World title.